Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aming channel. Happy Friday! So kakagaling lang namin sa DMV. Nag-take na ako ng aking learner's permit. So hulaan nyo, nakapasa ba or hindi? So yan, sama naman ng Diyos, nakapasa naman ako. Dito kasi sa Connecticut, hindi ko lang alam sa ibang state, may siya, dalawang test. First is eye test, kaya kailangan ko talaga mag-eyeglasses kasi kung hindi, nako, babagsak talaga mo. Akala ko nga kanina babagsak ako kasi syempre pinapabasa na yung mga letters, talagang hindi ko, nag-struggle ako talaga. Tapos ayun, yung pinakang exam na nakapasa naman ako. So yun, na-issue na din sa akin yung aking learner's permit, pero 1 month lang siya valid kasi ibibigay yung permanent card. Open the door for me. Yung permanent card within 30 days. So ngayon, mag-start na akong mag-aral mag-drive dito sa aming truck. Kasi ito yung pangharabas. So every week daw akong mag-aaral. Wait lang. So, after 2 years of living in the United States, nagkaroon na rin ng lakas ng loob para mag-drive dito sa US. So, finally, makakapag-drive na ako dito sa US. Although, hindi pa talaga siya yung pwede na ako mag-drive na driver's permit, learner's permit pa rin. Learner's permit pa lang, pero at least, diba, pwede na ako mag-drive as long as meron akong instructor na kasama sa sasakyan. Siyempre, ang instructor ko ay ito. Maghahanap pa ba ako ng ibang instructor ay CDL license na dito. So, ayan. So, tapos na kami sa aming first driving lesson ni Mr. Pero madalian lang, doon lang kami nag-drive sa forest. Hindi na ako nag-video kasi first time at nakakatakot din. So, dito kami ngayon sa Walmart. Siyempre, mag-grocery shopping. But can you say about my first driving?
I don't want to talk about it.
Dali na!
I don't want to talk about
You
it.
tell them.
It's gonna be worse than I thought.
Ay, whatever.
It's going to be more difficult than I thought.
Oh, you tell them. I did good, right?
Yeah, you did great for somebody who has no natural ability. Put it back in.
You're so annoying.
It's true. Drink.
Who has no natural ability?
You don't want any?
She doesn't want.
Oh, no, she can't get it up through the street.
So doon lang kami sa forest nag-drive. Nakakatakot. Kinabahan ako. Pero okay naman.
You don't want it? You want it or no? You don't want it?
Yung truck ang gagamitin namin pag pa-practice mag-drive once a week. Is it once a week? So once a week. Mabuti na lang pumayag ang aking mom-in-law na bantayan yung mga bata once a week habang kami ay nag-driving lesson. Ito na tayo guys sa Walmart. And si Baby Zelda and Baby Zeta.
Little bit better.
Good girl daw yan sila kanina nung iniwan namin sa aking mom-in-law. Hi guys! Hello! Say hello! 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 Hello!
Broken.
Ate Zeta, you say hello guys. Ayaw naman mag-hello guys. So let's go get diapers again para kay Baby Zelda. Rascal's Life, not for this. Size 4. Huh? No. So nilalagyan pa rin namin ng diapers si Zeta sa gabi. Kaya binibilhan pa rin namin siya. Pero hindi naman siya nagpipi. Just to make sure lang. Yan, kuha rin tayo ng distilled water para kay Zelda. Nagdi-distilled water pa rin si Zelda. Yeah. Ang pangit ng nakuha naming cart. May sariling buhay. Kuha tayo ng chocolates.
Show them what the cart does.
Ayan daw, may sariling buhay yung cart. Ano ang ating chocolate? Ito yan. Ay! Zelda! Binagsak na ni Zelda itong chocolate. Out of stock na sila ng vinegar. Meron dito mga apple cider vinegar na lang.
Only one. Well, that's
Yan
the
na lang
last
ang
one.
natira. Need to go to the Asian store.
The end of the world as we know it.
Nawalan na sila ng vinegar. Si Zelda kakulit ay
Now that is naughty.
pasaway ng Zelda.
You want this box?
So far, ito yung laman ng ating cart. Ito yung week kung kailan magluluto si Mister ng kanyang food for work. Kaya marami siyang meat na binili. Most probably, medyo mahal ang ating grocery shopping amount for this week. Kuha din tayo ng fruits, grapes, and strawberries. Dito siya si Yates. Tala niya. Zelda. So, dahil na kaming mamili dito sa Walmart, guys. Not sure kung magkano yung binayaran ni Mr. kasi nga si Zeta ay nagpunta sa bathroom. Naging ano na yun, habit na ni Zeta yun pumupunta sa bathroom pagka time na namin mag-check out. Ano si Zeta napaka-routine na rin. Kailangan pare-parehas yung ginagawa niya. Kailangan meron talagang in order yung mga ginagawa niya, which is okay naman. Kaya lang minsan is hassle. Lalo na pagka nasa labas kami. Like yung pagpunta dito sa Walmart. Simula nung nagpupunta siya ng CR para umihi. Pagka nandun na kami sa counter, ganun na lagi yung ginagawa niya. Kahit konti lang yung kahit konti lang yung ihi niya. So anyway, malulubat na ako. Ilang percent na lang ba itong 9% na lang. Hindi ko kasi siya na-charge. So ayun na nga. Meron na akong learner's permit. So every week na ang aming driving lesson ni Mr. Tapos ngayong dinner, umorder lang si Mr. ng pagkain sa pizza place. Pero dadaanan na lang namin. Kaya lang 45 minutes pa daw bago maging ready. So medyo matagal pa kayo mag-aantay. Ang init-init pa naman. 31 degrees Celsius. Talagang pinas na pinas ng weather. Zelda. Cheers. $7% na lang tong aking battery. Wala akong lipstick. By the way guys, itong aking top, cute siya. TikTok shop lang yan. Ano siya? Pep Bloom. Pep Bloom na top. So nagda-drive around muna kami guys dahil yung aming in-order is hindi pa ready. Hindi namin alam kung anong road ito. Basta nagda-drive around lang kami. What can you say about the shoes that
I like the shoes.
I gave you? Binigyan na namin ng regalo si Mr. Kami ng mga kids for Father's Day. Advanced Father's Day gift. What can you say about the shoes?
They're nice. I like them because my feet always hurt. And now I have these trampoline shoes.
What do you mean trampoline shoes?
Every time you walk, you're bouncing on a little tiny trampoline.
And it's like, you said it's like you're walking in the cloud. On the air.
Hey, look.
Oh.
Ask and you shall receive. Isn't that a playground?
It is. Let's go bring it.
Not much of a playground.
It's okay. There's a slide. Ayan, i-ano namin dito si... Is this a school? Oh, it's a school. Ipaglaruin namin dito si Zeta. Ay, not really. That one. It's nothing much though.
A little bit of a playground swing, I guess.
It's not a slide or...
You play with her and I'm going to hold something.
Okay. Kasi Kasi matagal lang mag-aaya to si Zeta sa playground kaso hindi namin siya nadala this week. So, napadaan kami dito sa school. Come on, Zeta! Tinatry namin kung kaya ni Zeta mag-balancing beam. Pero mukhang mahirap. Maski nga semester nahihirapan eh. Give up. Can you do it? Do you want to try? I'm scared. She might fall. Zeta! Go to the ropes. Zelda. How about Zelda? Zelda baby.
Do you think I can climb this rope?
I don't know. Do you want me to hold Zelda and
I
see?
used to could climb a rope.
Look at her. Can you do that, ate? Hello everyone. What? Tumakbo si Zeta dito sa isang part ng playground. Zelda. Ang init. Against the light na tayo. Against the light. Nagsiswing dito si Zeta sa may sa may rope. Lubat na yung yung isa kong camera. Yung aking vlogging camera kaya cellphone na lang yung ginagamit ko. See.
That's it. That's all the stuff. Just want to climb the nets.
Try it. Say hi everyone. Hi everyone. Si Zeta at ang kanyang dada. Meron silang football field.